Everyone, today we will study regarding English grammar. In that, the parts of speech, another parts of speech, that is adverb. In an overview, I have told you all. I have given you the explanation of all 8 parts of speech. Now we need to study a bit detail regarding every parts of speech. As we are doing, we have completed in the last videos, we have completed regarding tenses. I hope my dear children are doing exercise on that. See, if you practice more, you will understand better. Without practice, it's not possible. As soon as you listen the video one time, you will not understand it clearly. The thing is, you have to repeat it, listen it again and again until you understand. At least 2-3 times you have to view the video and practice so many sentences. So today we are going to learn what is an adverb and what are the kinds of adverb. As we have studied in adjective, what is adjective and the kinds of adjectives. Here also we are having kinds of adverb. First we need to know the overview, what is adverb. Before also we had studied, but still just to understand more for that point of view, we should know what it is. We will take some 3 examples. As I told you before, what is adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverb, it modifies. एक वर्ब को मॉडिफाई करता है, एक एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई करता है, कैसा है, क्या है, किस एक्सटेंट में है, मॉडिफाई करता है, और एक एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करने वाले वर्ड को हम एडवर्ब करके बुलाते हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस? फर्स्ट वी विल टेक वन सेंटेंस. सोनम ईट्स फास्ट. हाउ? हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज वर्ब. It is modifying a verb with the word fast. How? In what manner Sonam is eating? Sonam is eating fast. So it is here this word fast is modifying the verb. It is modifying, it is changing, it is showing the manner of the verb. How the subject Sonam is eating. Okay. Next, this is a very beautiful flower. This is a very beautiful flower. According to the sentence, this is a very beautiful flower. What kind of a flower? Beautiful flower. Okay, the flower is beautiful. According to us, the sentence is saying that the flower is beautiful. The flower is beautiful. Okay. How much beautiful this flower is? Very. Okay. How much beautiful the flower is? The flower is very beautiful. So, here this word very is modifying an adjective. What is this beautiful word? Adjective. Because it is adding the quality of a flower. It is showing the quality of a flower, that flower is beautiful. Okay. So, here in this sentence, the word very is modifying the adjective beautiful word. So, this word will be an adverb. In sentence 3, Rohan reads quite clearly. Now, if you see only this part of the sentence, Rohan reads clearly. So, Rohan is a subject, reads is a verb, clearly is an adverb. तो रोहन कैसे पढ़ रहा है? रोहन clearly पढ़ रहा है. To what extent the Rohan is reading? To what extent? Okay, the Rohan is reading. कितना पढ़ रहा है वो? Quite clearly. Quite clearly. That means the word quite is modifying another adverb clearly. So in this way you can find out the adverb in a sentence by knowing its meaning. How it is modifying the verb. If that particular word modifies a verb, मॉडिफाई करना मतलब चेंज करना, उस मीनिंग को चेंज करना. यहाँ पे देखो, सोनम ईट्स फास्ट. सोनम ईट्स ठीक है, कैसे? फास्ट. किस मैनर में? फास्ट. तो ये एडवर्ब हो गया. एडिंग द क्वालिटी, मॉडिफाइंग द वर्ब. The same thing will come for the adjective as well as another adverb. about. This we had studied in our adverb class. Now, sometimes what happens, adverb modifies a phrase also. Adverb will modify a phrase even. How? We will better understand with examples, okay? Here you can see the sentence. He was standing close beside me. He was standing close beside me. This is, standing is a verb, close beside me. Here you can see, beside me is a phrase. Beside me is a phrase. Phrase is a group of sentence which says some meaning but not complete meaning, is called a phrase. So beside me it is saying something, but what it is? Okay, close. कहाँ पे? कैसे? कहाँ? Where? Close beside me. Then what happens? This word is modifying a phrase. Beside me. In this sentence, have you ate all from this tiffin? Have you ate all from this tiffin? Ate is what it is? Verb. Okay. तो ate के बाद जो all word आया है, ये क्या हो जाएगा? Adjective हो जाएगा. Now this adverb हो जाएगा. ये adverb एक phrase को modify कर रहा है. ये phrase है. From this tiffin is a phrase. Okay. Sometimes what happens? It will modify a particular group of words in a sentence which is called as phrase. Now, she was dressed all in white. Dressed. यहाँ पे verb है. तो verb के बाद जो word आया, कैसे dress किया? All in white. In white जो है, in white phrase है. तो ये जो word है उसको बोलते हैं adverb, because it is modifying a complete phrase. Okay. Now, this was about some adverbs will modify the phrases. But some adverbs, some words which is used in the initial of the sentence. Sentence के शुरू में, sentence ನ ಮೊದಲೇ ತಗೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, sentence ಶುರು ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಡೀ sentence ನೇ modify ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. What is that? Adverb which stands at the beginning of the sentence sometimes modifies a whole sentence. Like probably he is mistaken. He is mistaken is the entire sentence. This is adjective, probably, because it is saying the manner of how is, मतलब verb को modify कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है modify? Probably, शायद वो मेरे बारे में कुछ गलत समझ लिया. तो probably यहाँ पे word हो गया, verb हो. I'm very sorry. I don't know why my tongue is slipping today. Okay. Probably जो है ना, ये क्या रोल प्ले कर रहा है, कौन सा पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच रोल कर रहा है, प्ले कर रहा है यहाँ पे, वो एडवर्ब है, बिकॉज इट इज मॉडिफाइंग द एंटायर सेंटेंस. इस वर्ब तो यहाँ पे है, लेकिन पूरे सेंटेंस को चेंज कर रहा है. ही इज मिस्टेकन, वो कुछ गलत समझ लिया है, शायद. ये शायद पहले हमने ले लिया. Okay, then that particular word is adverb and it is modifying the entire sentence. Here, certainly you are wrong. You are wrong ये पूरा का पूरा sentence. वो wrong है, वो गलत है, पूरा का sentence है. उसको कैसे modify कर रहा है? तुम गलत हो. जरूर. ये जरूर जो है वो adverb है. This part of this word is called as adverb and it is modifying the entire sentence. Sometimes adverbs will, which is standing in front of in the beginning of the sentence, that will modify the entire sentence. Of course, verb will be there or adjective will be there or another adverb will be there in that sentence, but it shows that it has modified the entire sentence with that particular word. Okay. Now we are going to study kinds of adverb. Means everywhere if you see the sentence, you need to know which word is an adverb, isn't it? So how you have to find out? There are some methods. through which you can find out that this particular word in a sentence is an adverb. तो ये सारा सेंटेंस दिया गया है, इसमें एडवर्ब आपको पहचानना कैसे है, तो ये एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कुछ काइंड्स हैं, कुछ तरीके हैं मालूम करने के लिए कि कौन सा वर्ड एडवर्ब है इस सेंटेंस में. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸಮ್ವನ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ a verb, adjective or another adverb, but it shows you the time where you can easily find out that that particular word is an adverb. Now here I have heard this before. Heard is a verb, it is qualifying the verb. Which word? Before, and it is saying the time also. So this word in the sentence is adverb. This day he arrived late. When did he arrive? Late. It is showing the time. Adverb. The end soon came. कब आया? Soon आया. Easy. I have spoken to him already. कब बात किए? Already बात किए. Time बता रहा. So these words are adverbs in a sentence. Here adverbs of frequency. Frequency means how often, कितने बार तुमने उसके साथ बातचीत की, कितने बार वो काम किया गया, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ನಾವು, how often you are doing that work. Here you can see I have told him thrice. Told verb, it is qualifying the verb. Frequency, how often? Thrice. He often makes mistakes. Often word he adverb है यहाँ पे. Okay. He seldom comes here. कब आएगा वो? Frequent, उसका frequency आने का frequency क्या है? He seldom comes here. If you see here, you can see another adverb. It is qualifying another adverb here. Okay. In this sentence, the postman called again. The postman called again. Sorry to say, seldom you cannot say it as an adverb. You can say it as an adjective. It is qualifying an adjective. This word will be an adverb. He seldom comes here. मतलब frequency उसकी कितनी है, कब आता है वो, यहाँ पे आता है. ओके. वैसे भी उसको adverb में लिया जा सकता है वर्ड seldom, क्योंकि often अगर आया तो. Next, the postman called again. The postman called again. It is qualifying the word verb. Okay, again. Next, we'll go for adverbs of place. मतलब कहाँ पे है वो बताएगा वो वर्ड उस सेंटेंस में. Okay. The little lamb followed. मतलब कहाँ पे followed किया? Of course, जहाँ पे जा रहा था. Here in this sentence you can see it is not showing the place, but this word followed is saying that it is following to the person who is going in front or backward or like that. So this word in this sentence will become an adverb. Go there, qualifying the verb go. There, place बता रहा है, go there. Okay, walk backward. तो ये word जो है adverb हो गया. He looked up. कहाँ पे देखा उसने? Up. It is, of course, it is qualifying. Sorry, it is modifying a verb looked. Another, you can see adverbs of manner. कैसे? Manner कैसा है उसका? Okay, this story is well written. किस manner से लिखा गया है? Well. किस manner से लिखा गया है? Well लिखा गया है. तो this word in this sentence will be an adverb. It is showing the manner of the verb written. The child slept soundly. कैसे सोया? Soundly. Adverb. Okay. Slept verb. You should not do so. You should not do क्या? Manner क्या? So. कैसे नहीं करना? वैसे. So. The Marathas fought bravely. It is modifying the verb fought, so bravely will become an adverb. Next, adverb of degree. Degree का मतलब उसका quantity बताएगा या how much, कितना है वो बताएगा. In this sentence you can find out by yourself. See, he was too careless. कितना careless? Careless यहाँ पे verb है, okay? He was too careless. तो कितना careless हो गया? उसकी डिग्री कितनी है? 2. तो ये एडवर्ब हो गया इस सेंटेंस में. You are quite wrong. Wrong यहाँ पे क्या है? You are quite wrong ये एडवर्ब है. कितना wrong है? Quite wrong है. He is good enough for my purpose. कितना good है? Enough. इतना good है वो. She sings pretty well. कैसा गाती है वो? Pretty कितना? Well गाती है. Okay. So these sentences, these words in these sentences will become adverbs of degree, quantity. I told one more mistake here. Sorry to say you. Pretty will become an adverb. It is modifying the word another adverb that is well. Okay. It is pretty. मतलब यहाँ पे उसकी डिग्री बता रही है. डिग्री कौन सी? Pretty. कितना? Quantity. Okay. She sings pretty well. कितना अच्छा गाती है? Pretty well गाती है. कितना अच्छा? Quantity pretty well गाती है. Okay. Adverbs of reason. Reason क्या है बताता है. इस सेंटेंस में वो वर्ड जो है एडवर्ब हो जाएगा. He therefore left the school. क्यों स्कूल छोड़ दिया? Therefore इसके लिए, उसके लिए उसने स्कूल छोड़ दिया. ओके. Hence he is unable to write. इसीलिए उसको लिखना नहीं आता. मतलब उसका कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया होगा इसीलिए. Hence. Hence. Reason बता रहा है वो वर्ड hence. Hence he is unable to write. Now another adverb that is interrogative adverbs. जहां पे क्वेश्चन करते हैं उस टाइप के वो वर्ड वहां पे मॉडिफाई करने लगता है पूरे के पूरे सेंटेंस को. How many boys are there in your class? How many boys are there in your class? Are verb है. ये सारा सेंटेंस को क्वेश्चन कर रहा है. How many कितने. तो ये वर्ड इस सेंटेंस में अगर आपको बोला गया कि इस सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब को अंडरलाइन करो, then you have to underline how, because it is an interrogative adverb. Why are you late? Why? Okay, this will be an adverb. This will be a verb. It is modifying the verb. So these are the ways where you can find out a adverb in a sentence. Some kinds of adverbs I told you. I taught you. Now I will write down on the board some particular frequently used words as an adverb which are very prominent, which is used, and with that particular word your English will improve and your spoken, and even you can use it in your spoken English in your daily whatever you speak. Those words are very, very important, which that particular adverb will enhance your English. I'll just write down on the board. You pause it and copy. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.